How did Roman plumbing control water pressure? Imagine walking through the bustling streets of ancient Rome, where aqueducts gracefully arch over valleys and water flows freely into public fountains. The Romans were not just masters of architecture. They were also skilled engineers who developed advanced plumbing systems that effectively managed water pressure. But how did they achieve this remarkable feat? To understand Roman plumbing, we first need to look at the aqueducts. These impressive structures transported water from distant sources into the city. The Romans designed aqueducts with a slight gradient, allowing gravity to guide the water flow. This careful engineering ensured that water moved steadily without excessive pressure that could damage the pipes. Once the water reached the city, it entered a complex network of lead and terracotta pipes. The Romans understood that controlling the diameter of these pipes was essential. By varying the width, they could regulate the flow of water. Narrow pipes would increase pressure, while wider pipes would decrease it. This method allowed them to direct water to different areas of the city based on demand. In addition to pipe size, the Romans utilized large storage tanks, known as castella. These tanks acted as reservoirs, helping to balance the water supply and pressure. When water flowed into these tanks, it would fill up and create a steady supply for nearby public baths and fountains. By managing the water levels in these tanks, they could prevent sudden surges in pressure that could lead to leaks or bursts. Another innovative technique was the use of valves. The Romans installed valves at strategic points in their plumbing systems. These valves allowed them to control the flow of water, turning it on or off as needed. This capability was especially useful during maintenance or in emergencies, ensuring that water pressure could be managed effectively. Finally, the Romans also took advantage of the natural terrain. They built their plumbing systems to work with the landscape, using elevation changes to their advantage. By placing certain structures higher up, they could create a natural pressure system that helped distribute water more evenly throughout the city. In conclusion, the Romans mastered the art of plumbing by combining gravity, pipe diameter, storage tanks, valves, and the natural landscape. Their innovative approaches allowed them to control water pressure effectively, ensuring a reliable supply of water for their thriving civilization.